Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 'Tis the season to be glam, am I right? Well, in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this full glam makeup look, this very cute holiday hairstyle. I hope you guys are ready for some serious glam today. Since we are now in the holiday season, 'tis the season to be jolly and also to give some gifts. Today's sponsor for this video is Viktor and Rolf, and the fragrance I have here today is Flower Bomb. I'm sure you guys know and love this fragrance. This is an iconic scent. It's very feminine, very soft, very floral. So not only is this one of my favorite holiday scents, but for this holiday season, they're actually offering a whole bunch of customization options for this perfume. So for example, this bottle has my initials on it. It says AW. And with the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume this season, you guys can get this engraved complimentary. It also comes with these really cute accessories. This is the tulle accessory, which I absolutely love. It's adorable. You can also choose from 5 different styles of bottles. So this one is the clear sparkle. So like a lot of you, I also have those fragrances that I love to wear on certain occasions. I have certain scents that I wear when I'm feeling cute or fun or sexy. We all have those different favorites. This Flower Bomb perfume definitely makes it in my top favorites for the holidays as well. So I did want to show you guys all of the holiday options for this fragrance. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box down below to check it out. So without further ado, now that we're smelling good, let's get started with the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to start with in this get ready with me for the holidays, I'm gonna just do a little something with my hair, something very cute, simple, easy, just how I like it. So, so what we're gonna do is just put my hair up in a very loose bun so you can still see the curls. I'm gonna add a cute headband for an accessory, these cute earrings, and we're just gonna be good to go with that. All right, cute, simple, easy, trendy, and let's move on to the makeup look. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start out with for the skin, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Puff Puff Primer. Now I think we're ready to move on to foundation. I'm going to be using a drugstore foundation today. I absolutely love this one. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade T30. Alright, so we finished our foundation. I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade 18. This concealer is in a league of its own, honestly, so if you want a heavy duty full coverage concealer, definitely pick this up and try it out. It is so bomb. We're gonna set the concealer with the Juvia's Place setting powder. This is in the color Kalahari. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using a new favorite of mine. This is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Soleil. For my highlight, I'm going to be trying a new product today. I haven't tried this yet, but I've had it in my collection. This is the Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder in the color Day Glow. Ooh, that is nice. For my blush, this is actually a new one as well. This is from EM Cosmetics. This is the Heaven's Glow Magic Hour Blush. Alright, so we are just moving along. We're done with the face. I'm going to move on to my brows. For my brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil and just fill them in, give them a fuller look. Then we'll move on to the eyes. I have been dying to try out this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette remastered. I got this at BeautyCon. Once you see these colors, you're gonna understand why I want to use this so badly. I think what we're gonna do for today's look is do this shade down here as my transition shade. This is called Henna. Then Pink Diamond. And then this shade right here, which is called Maneater. These shades are just calling my name. So let's see what we come up with for this look. Okay, but can we just talk about how beautiful this color is? Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna finish up this eye look with a little bit of this Man-Eater shade on the side. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using these Lena lashes. These are in the style Chioma. So I low-key feel like if I flat my eyes hard enough, I could just fly away, and it's what I'm looking for in a lash. I just want to fly away from all my problems, and I feel like these All right, we are going to finish off with the lips, and guess what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna be using my Hasha Beauty Nude Lip Kit Trio in today's video. I know you're excited. So I'm gonna start off with my Lady Godiva Waterproof Lip Liner. This is a rich brown with a warm undertone, so it's gonna be great for so many different skin tones. We're gonna be using that all around the lips. Next, I'm gonna go in with my liquid lipstick. This is called Curl Friend. This is gonna be more of a nude brown with kind of a neutral pink undertone to it. And after Curl Friend has dried down, I'm gonna be using my Rio gloss. This gloss is more of a champagne with a brown undertone. It has a shimmer finish. It's ultra moisturizing, ultra glossy, and has a little bit of plumping gloss in there. All right, so we're just gonna finish this look off with a little bit of my Flower Bomb, and we are good to go. We are ready for our holiday party. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair and makeup routine for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.